I folks got it wrong. I did not pay £19 a litre. It's me being stupid, I think. What I did pay was £1.70, 79, something like that a litre. It cost me £19 for 11 litres. I should have said, not £19 a litre. But like I said, the diesel litre is running fine. It's costing me 30p an hour. It's, I'm paying £56 a week to run the gas. I haven't worked out the actual cost of running the gas and the diesel litre, but it's 30 pence an hour. I think it's about, I buy 11 litres every 3 or 4, maybe 5 days. And if I run the gas for 7 days, it cost me 56 quid. So I know you have got to buy the diesel, and it do cost you about 19 quid for 10 litres. But it still works out a hell of a lot cheaper than what it costs to run the gas. Admittedly, you're not warming the whole house up. But, I'd rather pay £20 every 4 or 5 days than paying £56 every 7 days. So, before the gas bills went up, I used to be able to run the gas central heating most of the day when I was home for £20 a week. Now, roughly, it's only costing me £20 a week to run the diesel litre, instead of 56 quid to run the gas. So it's a no-brainer. But I must also stress that you must get a carbon monoxide tester. I have got one out in the passage. I'll show you just to prove that I've got one. Hang on a minute, I'll turn it around. There he is. I don't think he'll flash at the moment, he might do in a minute. The bottom light will flash green because he's turned on. No, yes, he just did, but he do work. So that's what you must get one of those. Can't stress that enough, because you can't smell carbon monoxide, you can't taste it or anything. You go to sleep, you won't wake up again. So you must get a carbon monoxide tester. Well, I said on my last video it would be the last one, but I think this will be my last one. Sorry for making a mistake. Wanted to get it straight. It didn't cost me £19 a litre. It cost me £19 for 11 litres. I'm not going to show the petrol receipt because I've done that on the last video and I had to take it down. So that's it. So, well, thank you for watching. I'll probably put another video up on something else sometime, and perhaps it might be better than what I'm doing at the moment. But I'm only doing this off my mobile phone, so we'll see. Well, thanks for watching. Bye for now. Probably catch you later on. Ta-da.